Do you guys see this? I literally live with an animal. Oh my god. Hello everyone and welcome back to my beauty space. It's Lara. I was just doing my laundry, so if you guys see little white fluffies around in the air, that's why. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a little laid back, chill, get ready with me. I just really feel like, I don't know, like I really want to film right now, and I just wanted to play with my new makeup, like the new BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes Bellini 6-color blush palette. I really want to play with this in today's video. I already filmed a review on this bad boy. I just have a lot of makeup that I want to play with. I feel like makeup makes me really happy, so I just figured I would just get on, do a little get ready with me video and just talk about my life. So to prime my skin, I'm going in with the, oh you can't, it's so washed out. I'm going in with the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I got this at Walgreens and I really like this primer just because I find that it has really clean ingredients, including marshmallow roots. For my oily skin, this is definitely a smoothing primer, and it just makes my skin feel and look really flawless even if I don't wear makeup on top of it. But of course I wear it only whenever I'm about to wear makeup because it's a primer. I don't do that. I just turned my camera because the sun is coming in from this direction and it looks super harsh in certain, you know, positions in the video, so I just had to move the camera really quickly. But yeah, I just really love this primer. It just works so good. It's drugstore. It works really great, especially if you have oily skin, because it is a definite smoothing and pore filling primer. I just love the way that it smells. It smells like sweet marshmallows. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is what do I want to do today? I don't really want to do like foundation because I find that it's like a little bit too much sometimes. For foundation today, I'm gonna go in with my Oxygenetix Oxygenating foundation. This is a breathable formula that provides complete coverage for healthier skin. I did film a review and a wear test and a first impressions all in this foundation. I honestly only bought it because this is Kourtney Kardashian's favorite foundation, and I love learning like beauty tips and secrets and stuff, and like what kind of makeup that certain celebrities use, because I find that a lot of people have like expertise whenever it comes to beauty. Like, obviously a lot of their lives and a lot of their energy is spent in makeup and beauty and having their skin being really taken care of. So I definitely trust their opinion, and since Kourtney Kardashian is like a she definitely represents clean beauty and she likes to use clean ingredients, non-toxic ingredients, I definitely knew that I could trust her opinion whenever it came to this foundation, because I did my own like reviews, I did my own research, I watched almost every single YouTube video out there that was reviewing this foundation, so I knew what I was getting myself into. So in this foundation, I'm in the shade Honey, and this is my perfect shade. So lately, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I've definitely been into the like everyday no makeup looks. Like I really love wearing makeup, but just enough so that way it's kind of like, are you wearing makeup or do you naturally look that pretty? And I really like that. Lately, you guys, I've been so obsessed with, I just take a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand and then I just go like that. And it is really full coverage, so I really like it for that reason. Lately, you guys, I've been so into throwback Disney shows and like movies and stuff. Like, does anyone remember Lemonade Mouth? How about Wizards of Waverly Place? Like, Sunny with a Chance. Do you guys remember those shows? Like, they used to be it on Disney. Like, I can't even remember all the shows that I've watched in the last like 2 weeks. I've just been binging like old Disney. Like, I've been watching Hannah Montana, Camp Rock. Like, I might need to use a brush for this. For my foundation, I'm going in with the Morphe M447 because I find that it will probably spread out this foundation a lot better than a beauty blender, just because I went in with such a little amount. I went in with like one pump. So I find maybe the beauty blender, I mean the beauty sponge, isn't like the best way to go about it. But yeah, I've been binge watching like old Disney, like throwback Disney Channel shows and stuff, and it just reminds me of my childhood so much because I used to love Disney. Like, I used to love iCarly, I used to love Victorious, even though that's Nickelodeon. Like, I don't know, like Disney Channel had such good shows back then, and now it's like overrated, overexposed. It's just not the same, man. I personally liked old Disney because I feel like old Disney was definitely the shit, and it had Selena Gomez, it had Miley Cyrus, it had the Jonas Brothers, who else was super famous at that time, it had Demi Lovato. Like, it had like that group, like that Disney group of like young child stars. That was the shit. Like, everyone wanted to be like them. I remember like they were like my freaking first ever role models. So it's like kind of crazy because now it's like I'm 20 and all of those other actors and actresses are like definitely adults, like doing real adult shit now. Foundation is on and it looks Really incredible. Looks super flawless. It looks very, very natural. I really like how it gives me a matte coverage, but it's not super matte. Let me get out my mirror. This Makeup Forever Velvet Powder Foundation is the best just for the mirror. If I'm looking at my skin up close, I don't know why my nose has been like peeling lately. I don't know. I'm not really in the sun as much as I was. I just love the way that my skin looks with this foundation. It looks so beautiful. I love it. How's that for an explanation, you guys? Yeah, since I'm doing like no makeup, I don't really like want to put on a lot of makeup. Maybe I'll do like my face first and then go to my eyes because I don't really know what I'm planning. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna play with the brand new BH Cosmetics Bellini blush palette. This blush palette has 6 different colors, as you guys can see. Yeah, there's like little finger marks in there because I was swatching it for you guys on my channel. I really, really love these colors. Peach is like my favorite blush color because my tan skin is definitely darker than like light fair skin tones. Peach has always been my absolute favorite of life. I'm also going back to Tampa. I'm going back to school to live in my apartment. You guys, I know I'm leaving this setup, I'm leaving this background. You guys have been so used to this. Like, I started my YouTube channel like not in this background, I started it in my dorm, but this is like the main background that I've had on my YouTube channel. So I hope that you guys don't mind the change. I'm definitely gonna be there for a lot longer, but yeah, I just, you know, wanted to give you guys a little heads up that I'm gonna go back to my Tampa, so the background is gonna be different. You're definitely gonna be seeing a lot more Bunny. I love that it has a freaking mirror in here because it's like you can see exactly like where you apply. I don't have many makeup products that have a mirror built inside of it just because I never used them before, but now I feel like I love them. So I just turned 20. I know. So off camera, I went in with the shades Life's a Peach and Just Peachy. I put Life's a Peach first with my Eco Tools beauty sponge, and then I went with Just Peachy just because I find that it's like more neutral and pinky and brown, and I love this shade, especially as like a lipstick. I would love a lipstick this shade. But I just went in on my cheeks, I went in on my nose, I went in on my forehead, my chin, basically everywhere around and inside my face because I love having that sun-kissed look with blush. So yeah, you guys, I turned 20. I feel really happy because I'm 20. But yeah, I just wanted to sit, film. I just feel like I've never done like this type of video on YouTube where I just can talk about nothing, because usually I'm always doing like a tutorial or a review, or I always have like a purpose behind a video, but this is like the first video that I filmed that just doesn't have a purpose. It's just me playing with makeup and I'm recording it. For concealer, you guys know which concealer I'm gonna use. You know which concealer I'm gonna use. Okay, we'll say it together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Concealer. This is my all-time favorite concealer. I love the applicator because it's just like thick and different. I'm literally going in with like barely anything, you guys, because I just want to play with makeup, but I also don't want all this makeup on my face. But this is Clean Beauty, so I really, really like Clean Beauty because it's vegan, it's free of any toxic, harmful chemicals that are going to sit on your skin and get absorbed into your skin. It's free of all that. I really, really like it because it's also non-comedogenic, which means it's not going to break you out. It's not going to sit too heavy on the skin. Your pores aren't going to absorb so many toxic ingredients from here. It's all clean, so I love Rare Beauty. What am I going to use to blend it out? I got this new set of brushes. This is from Kala, from Ulta, I think, and I'm going to use like a thick, I don't know. I'm going to use like a thicker brush. I'm going to use this one. It doesn't have like a number. So I'm gonna go in with this, and I want to blend it out because Nicole Guerrero always blends out her concealer with like a brush, like a small brush like this. So I want to try it out and see if it's like any good. Oh my god, the lighting. I want to see if it's any good. Let me blend it and look in here actually. Do you guys see this? I literally live with an animal. Oh my god. Come on, Bunny, you're changing the lighting of the video, bruh. I love how precise I can be with a brush. So one thing that I don't like about applying my concealer with a brush is that it looks insanely high coverage, and I don't like my makeup to be super high coverage. I like it to look more natural than it does have coverage. I don't know, I want it to look pretty, but I don't want it to be like intense. I think that applying my concealer with a brush looks way more intense than I want it to, so I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge one more time, and I'm going to go over that because I don't want that much coverage. I feel like whenever you let your under eye dark circles like peep through, like you don't cover them completely with your makeup, I feel like that just looks so much prettier than completely covering up. I don't know, I just really like showing my natural blemishes. I like showing my natural imperfections, and like, yeah, I may cover them up a little bit, but I know that in a couple of hours they're gonna start to shine because the makeup that I use is very natural and I don't use like a heavy hand. So I know that eventually my makeup is not going to look perfect. However, it still gives me just that level of I'm wearing makeup that I really like to have. I like it. It's so pretty. I'm not gonna wear any mascara. What am I gonna do for my lips? So for my lips today, I'm going in with my favorite lip balm. This is the Winky Flower Balm. It says lavender under here, but I know that it's like a flower balm. It's their Confetti one, and I did a review on this a couple of months ago. I was also wearing a yellow tank top, which is kind of cute. I'm going to go in with this lip balm. It is a pH adjusting lip balm, so you're going to see whenever I put it on, it looks like nothing, but then it'll make my lips turn into a really beautiful shade of pink, which is perfect for my pH. It's also been sitting out in the sun, so it's like super oily. Looks so pretty. I like the little pinky glow that it gave my face. Why does my skin look weird right now? This video is a hot mess, isn't it? I'm gonna go just like a little bit more because I feel like it's not as pink as I want. You guys, school is hard. I'm a sophomore in college and it's hard, I'll tell you that right now. I have a lot of classes and I have a lot of work for all my classes, and I have exams and I have study guides and I have homework and assignments, and they're all online, which I don't know if I like. I feel like online classes are easy but also hard because all of your assignments that you have to turn in are online. So it's like you don't have like different ways that you can remind yourself unless you have a planner like I do. Whereas if you were like in person, you know, pre-coronavirus, you could like just have like a ton of books, like textbooks and notebooks, and know this book is for this class. But I feel like if you're in online, it's kind of like there's no way to differentiate between your classes, which makes it more confusing than it should be. I don't know, that's just how I feel about it. Yeah, this is my makeup. I used 1, 2, 3, 4. I used 4 products today in my face. I like the way my skin looks. I love wearing like natural makeup and just natural stuff like that, so I'm really, really happy. I'm obsessed with this Bellini blush palette. I still keep putting it back in its like packaging because I want to protect it. It's my baby. One day if I were to ever do makeup, or if I were to ever like get big on YouTube, which I don't know if that's ever gonna happen. If I were to get big on YouTube, I think the first thing that I would do is collab with like a makeup brand, maybe BH, and do like my own blush palettes, because I want to do shades that are really, really beautiful for medium tan skin tones like me, as well as deep dark shades. So I want it to have like a level of pigment that would look really pretty. I don't know, I'm just thinking out loud right now, but I feel like I don't want to make my own makeup. I just want to like collab like maybe once or twice and just have like a banger. I think I would do a blush palette. All right, you guys, so that's it for this get ready with me video. I know it was kind of all over the place and I didn't really talk about anything like super important. Stay tuned on my channel for, you know, some more makeup videos, and as always, leave me some. Bunny is so annoying. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below if you guys like this like regular chit chat get ready with me type of video. Let me know any video requests that you guys have for me down below in the comments and I'll get back to you. So that's it for me. I will see you guys super, super soon in my next video. Bye guys.